I have been asked to help the Romanian Federation out during the Challenge Cup in Budapest, and the only 4 days free of the season I keep on munka, because I love to munka, multo munka. And we're gonna go with probably the youngest team in Romanian history for the senior team. It's gonna be a very young team. It's an invitation from Hungary, and give the young players experience to play against Ukraine, play against Poland and the Magyars. So it's going to be a tough 4 days trip up there, but I think it's good for the young kids. Get experience how to know that you can't dingle dangle the puck, because when the 190 Ukrainian coming with 100 kilos, it's goodbye if you dingle dangle too much. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun too, and it's an honor for me to represent Romania, of course. But we have to see what it is. We are not going with the best team. We're going with a young team for the future.
And when you sign the new contract?
I don't sign contract. For me, it's a handshake is enough. When I take a handshake with my president, and it's I don't need papers. I don't like papers. I can't read.
Can you do this permanent? So you'll be the next Romanian. Do you want that?
I don't comment that. I'm doing these 4 days for Romania. If the question should come, I should of course I should think about it. But it's a lot of responsibility too. And you have the club team Corona that I have to. We work every day of the week, and you're gonna do the national team. You need these international breaks. You have to see games. You have to look players. You have. I mean, it's a lot of job too, but if the question comes, of course, it's an honor for everybody. It should be an honor for everybody to play in the national team.
Okay, who did you select from Corona?
We are working on it right now. I will present the team in the next 48 hours, I hope, or maybe after the game on Sunday, because it always can come injuries or something. But it will be a very young team.
So players from Corona, Mirko Jacek?
Yeah, that's no. There is some other players too who is playing in Slovakia or in Hungary under 20, or playing, like, there is some young players there who we're gonna look at. But like the team right now, I don't know. Because I have a list with names, and now we have to find who is not injured, who is playing, like, to find a good representatives for the country of Romania.
You are going to the team directly there, or you have?
No, we're gonna practice here 2 times on the 6th, 10:30 and 6 o'clock. Doi treinamente patronare Olympic Trattore Brasov.
When do you get the group together?
The 6th at 9 o'clock.
6 November.
6 November, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock we go on ice, and then we practice 1 hour 15, and then we practice in the evening, and then we leave. So we have 2 practice before we're gonna play against the big guys.